Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics from Mr. Simons. Now today's lesson on sequence and series, we're following up on the previous lesson where we determined the formula for the sum of a geometric series. Now we are going to be teaching how to use that formula to find the sum of n terms for a geometric series. Alright, so let's look at problem number 1. Determine the sum to 20 terms. Given that we have 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, 20 terms. Now have a look there, A is 1. Right, I should have said geometric, I forgot to type it in, but there 2 divided by 1 gives me 2. 4 divided by 2 gives me 2, so I have a common ratio of 2 here. So A is 1, R is 2, so to get the sum to 20 terms, we're going to use Sn equal A Rn minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Alright, that's the formula we determined in the previous slide. So we want 20 terms, so S20, so n becomes 20. Wherever I see n, I place 20. A is 1, R is 2, so I have 2 to the power 20 minus 1, 2 minus 1. That they all gives me, let's see, 1,048,575 divided by 1, and that's the sum to 20 terms. Alright, now if we go next problem, determine the sum to 20 terms given the geometric sequence 2 minus 1 plus half all the way to 20 terms. A equal to 2, R equal to minus 1 divided by 2, which gives me negative half. Alright, sum to 20 terms, I'm using Sn, A Rn minus 1, R minus 1. Right, so n there becomes 20 terms, so wherever I see n, I'm going to place 20. R I know is negative half, and A here is 2, there, minus 1, minus 1. So negative half to the power 20 minus 1, right, times 2 divided by minus 3 over 2, and that would give me 1,33. So that is the sum to 20 terms. Right, we look at the third one. Determine the sum to 20 terms. My term 1 is x to the power 4. Term 2 minus x squared over y. Term 3, 1 over y squared plus all the way to 20 terms. A there, my first term, equal x over 4. R, term 2 divided by term 1. So negative x squared over y divided by x4 becomes negative x squared over y times, if I change division to multiplication, I invert the bottom fraction, right? So that's x4 over 1, it becomes 1 over x4, right? And if we simplify, if I have 2 x's on top and 4, 2 minus 4 gives me negative 2, so stay positive, 2 at the bottom. It stays negative 1, so I have negative 1 over x squared y, that's my value of r. Alright, to get the sum to 20 terms, Sn equal A Rn minus 1 over r minus 1. So again, substitute in, A is x to the power 4. Here we have minus 1, x squared y to the power 20 minus 1 over negative 1 over x squared y minus 1. Right, we don't need to simplify it further. That is just more to see whether you can work with variables and substitute them in correctly. So this lesson was just to make sure you understand how to use the formula. We go through the exam problems that I've uploaded, right, that comes after all these lessons, then you'll be able to practice what you are learning in this video. Right, God bless, bye.